I'm very happy right now because I'm about to unbox a brand new Honda. You might remember as the old Hornet, but this is something a lot cooler. It's one of my favorite Hondas, absolutely new for 2019. It's the new Honda CB650R, which looks a lot better right now. It comes with a new sports looks, cafe looking theme inspired by its bigger brother, the Honda CB1000R, which I love a lot. Saw it at the Milan show back in November, but I didn't have the chance to start the engine and see how it sounds like, check the dash and everything else. I only need to remove this. And now, for the big moment, check out this blue. We have this new LED headlight, we have upside down suspensions, radial mounted calipers, floating discs, a new gas tank. I like it a lot. Tail unit has a very nice look, it looks very clean, 5% more power. The whole bike weighs 6 kilograms less, which is a good thing. The leverage is a bit bigger over here for the handlebar, so it will be more maneuverable in the city. The weather is not very good right now, but as soon as the weather improves, I will get out and test it. Also a new dash over here. It has the same look as the one on the CB1000R. I will have to take this box from here and see what's inside. I know it has all the fluids inside. It comes with coolant and also oil inside the engine. I know for sure that Honda never ships the bike with the fuel inside the tank, so we will have to check that also. Inside this there are the mirrors. Yes, I was right, here we are. There's also some things that I need to do, some operations that I need to perform before starting it, and that means I will need to fit my battery on. I know it's already here. It seems a lot smaller. This is a lovely feeling because it's more youthful, I think, and also it seems ready to tackle the traffic inside the city. I like this saddle a lot. It's a lot smaller, but I think it's a bit wider, so the comfort level might be increased. The keys are here, but first, before I can perform a new operation on the bike, I need to remove it from this crate, so these bolts need to come off. Man, it looks good. It feels smaller than the older one. I want to go on it right now. Show how it's. Oh, it's narrower right now. The gas tank is narrower than on the previous model. The ergonomy is also changed for 2019. The handlebar, it's a bit lowered and fitted a bit forward, and the foot pegs are also fitted a bit backwards. We also get for 2019 a new slip assist clutch, which will help you go down the gearbox. Passenger seat off. I can now see my books that I need to address before starting the bike or performing any other operations. So this is the big CB650 books. Another thing that we have over here is the tool set, and I also have to remove these two bolts over here in order to reach the battery and get it off. Now that I found the battery, I can connect both positive and negative that are right here. Not very hard to do it. A short recap: we have new front suspension, upside down floating discs, radial mounted calipers, LED lights all over, redesigned engine mapping that is now 5% more powerful. It's lighter, the whole bike is lighter. The wheels have a look that is closer to the CB1000R. The 333 is now made out of aluminium, and I know that these forks are still the 41mm one, just like on the previous models, but check out this look. I like it a lot better than the older one. Now I need to connect my battery. How can I do it? Right here. And the looks, I love this LED unit. I like it a lot. Whoa. So I have the gear indicator right now in the center of the revolution area. And another interesting thing for this CB650R is that the turn lights are on all the time, and when you switch to left or right, they blink. This is a new thing for Europe. I like it. It looks very good. Another 3 or 4 seconds. Please bear with me. Okay, battery is plugged, the bike's off. I forgot to tell you that this exhaust design is new for this year. It looks better in my opinion. I know that it's Euro 4 compliant, maybe Euro 5 in this trim. Now that everything is out of my way, I can put a key on and start this bike. Let's do it. I want so bad to do it. So 1, 2, 3, go. Man, it sounds good. Listen to this inline 4 engine coming to life. I like it. I like it a lot. The big improvement for me is that this 2019 CB650R comes with a traction control and ABS as standard. Man, it's good. Listen up to that. It has a very high note. You wouldn't say this is a Euro 4 compliant exhaust system. Oh, and now I want to get on it to fit it better, to move it around, because this feels sportier and more aggressive. Oh man, I feel like I'm going to conquer the city. The stopping power is improved, the lighting system is improved, a new dash is over here, slip assist clutch. Only thing left to do is to fit my mirrors and get myself ready with a helmet and jacket to go outside and take it for a spin. But for that, I will have to wait a week or two in order for the temperature to climb up a bit, so I won't freeze to death. But I will do it right now because this bike looks so good and I like it a lot. Man, I think this is one of the best looking Hornets that Honda ever built. Stay tuned because I will be coming back with an in-depth review of the new CB650R in the following weeks. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the button down here.